Black & Decker dustbuster models are popular handheld vacuums, but battery and charging issues are among the most common problems users face. If your dustbuster isn't charging, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, ensure the charger is properly connected to a working electrical outlet. Next, verify that the voltage on your wall outlet matches the charger's rating. This information is typically printed on the charger's label. A rapidly flashing charging indicator often means the battery is too hot. In this case, allow the vacuum to cool down completely before attempting to charge it again. Lithium-ion batteries naturally degrade over time. If your dustbuster is several years old and no longer holds a charge, the battery may need replacement, which typically requires soldering skills. Always use the charger provided with your dustbuster. Using the wrong charger can cause charging problems and potentially damage your vacuum. In rare cases, a faulty charging dock with reversed wire polarity may prevent proper charging. This typically requires professional repair or replacement. Newer Black & Decker models feature smart charging technology designed to optimize charging cycles and extend overall battery life, helping prevent many common charging issues. When your Black & Decker hand vacuum loses suction power, the most common culprit is a clogged filter. Understanding how to properly maintain your vacuum will keep it running at peak performance. A clogged filter is the primary cause of reduced suction. Dust, debris, and particles accumulate in the filter over time, blocking airflow and reducing the vacuum's effectiveness. To clean your filter properly, remove it from the vacuum and rinse it with warm, soapy water. Gently scrub away debris, then rinse thoroughly. The most important step is ensuring the filter is completely dry before reinstalling it. Regular maintenance also requires emptying the dust bowl after each use. A full dust bowl restricts airflow and reduces suction performance significantly. Check for blockages in the hose, wands, and nozzle attachments. Remove any visible debris or obstructions that might be restricting airflow through the vacuum system. Unusual noises often indicate hair or debris wrapped around the motor spindle. This requires careful removal to prevent motor damage and restore normal operation. Replace filters every 6 to 9 months for optimal performance. Regular filter replacement ensures consistent suction power and extends the life of your vacuum. Always consult your specific model's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps. For complex issues beyond basic maintenance, contact an authorized service center. Product registration provides access to warranty support and important safety updates.